Want to send SMS messages directly from your AI agent? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Hermes Agent to Ozeki SMS Gateway and send text messages through SMPP using the built-in SMS MCP server. Let's get started. How does this solution work? Hermes Agent connects to Ozeki SMS Gateway through the MCP protocol, and the gateway forwards messages to the SMS service provider over SMPP for delivery to the recipient's mobile phone. What is Hermes Agent? Hermes Agent is an open-source autonomous AI agent that can execute terminal commands, manage files, run scheduled tasks, and connect to messaging platforms. What is an SMPP SMS MCP server? It is a software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway, allowing the AI to send and receive messages autonomously. Before you can use the SMS MCP server, you need to install Ozeki SMS Gateway on your Windows machine or server. Download the installer zip file from the website, extract it, and run the executable to complete the installation. Once installed, the gateway will start automatically, and its web-based management interface will be accessible from your browser. To set up the SMPP connection in Ozeki, navigate to the Connections panel and add a new SMPP client connection. Enter the host, port, and credentials provided by your SMS service provider. Then save and activate the connection to bring the gateway online. To create an MCP user account in Ozeki, click Add New User Application and select the MCP user type. Then enter a username and password for the account. Open the Advanced tab to generate an API key and copy this key to store it safely for use in the next steps. To configure Hermes Agent, upgrade the MCP package in its virtual environment and add the Ozeki SMS MCP server entry to the config file with the gateway URL and API key. Then run the Hermes MCP test command to verify the connection and confirm that the SMS tools are available. To test SMS sending, open a PowerShell terminal, launch Hermes Agent by typing Hermes, and then type your SMS request in plain language to have the AI agent invoke the MCP tool to deliver the message. Once the tool executes, a successful response in the terminal confirms that the message was submitted to the gateway and handed off for delivery. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway and navigate to the MCP User Details page by clicking on the MCP User entry in the Users and Applications panel. In the MCP User Event Log, you will see an entry for the outgoing message with the recipient phone number and message text, confirming that it was successfully processed by the gateway. In this video, you learned how to connect Hermes Agent to Ozeki SMS Gateway using the SMS MCP server to send SMS messages directly from your AI agent. You now have a fully functional on-premises SMS integration that can communicate with any mobile phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.